Hi, my name is Elise and I'm totally obsessed with my luxury garden. In the video today, I'm going to be planting these beautiful evergreen trees into the planters at my front door, and my daughter's going to help me out. Here we go!
I just say Mama!
So we have some home garden container soil that we're going to put into the pots, and I've got these Dwarf Alberta Spruce. These are exposure full sun. They grow to be 4 feet tall, 3 feet wide, hardiness -30 to -35 degrees Celsius. And so when I went to the garden center explaining that this area of the house is extremely hot, but also shaded, and that I wanted something evergreen, the employee looked at me like I was crazy, but we came up with this and we're going to try it out and see if it works. So my daughter is going to help me change out these evergreens in the pots at the front of our house. Okay, so the first step that we need to do is to remove these dead spruce trees. So we'll dig these out. We're going to add in a bit of this container soil, and we're going to replace them with these new beautiful Dwarf Alberta Spruce plants, and I think it's going to look really, really good. And these planters were actually built by me. I used some leftover wood that was left from the house build, and then I stained it this color, which is the same color as some of the siding on our house, so it matches perfectly. These are about 2 feet wide by 2 feet deep. Oh, these are going to come up very easily.
Yeah.
Because they were not very happy in here. Okay, let's see if I can get a grip on these. Nope, I need to dig them a little bit more from this side.
Yeah, but I can reach because I'm tall.
Because you're tall? Yeah, that's true. You can. Okay, I think I need gloves to get these out because they're a little bit sharp. Okay. Came out very, very, very easily. Okay. There's still. I also have another bag of Scott's Premium Garden Soil because the soil right now is sitting too low for the size of this little tree, because right now it's only about 18 inches tall, so we need to get the soil level a little higher.
He's too big. Mama, I just finished my blue ones.
You don't need any, sweetie.
What? I don't need any?
No.
Why?
It's fine without. Okay, now let's create a hole here. Okay, and then we'll take this one out by wiggling this at the bottom here, pushing on it, wiggling it out there. There we go. I'm going to pull at these roots a little bit here because it got a little bit root bound. Just pull these out a little bit. Not too much though.
That's some seeds.
Yeah. No, these are the roots.
Are these seeds down here?
No, it's just some dirt in there. There we go. Now let's see which side is the nicest. Let's go. Let's go like this. There we go. Is that nice and centered? And then we cover it back up.
We cover it.
Perfect.
Now we pat it.
Now we pat it. And then we will water it in.
Okay, now
we got a little bit more dirt. Yes, and then we have one more to do.
So Eddie's resting, so we can do this by ourselves. Yes?
Sure. Oh, we have done the first one. As you can see, it's in there propped up a little higher, looking very cute. And now we have one more to do. There's also some dead begonias here. I always seem to kill begonias. These coleus look really good though, but this needs to come out and we'll replace it with the second one. Dig out the begonia first.
Yeah.
And then we're going to dig out. Oh, didn't even have to dig it. It was so loose in there, so unhappy. It did not grip on with roots at all. It came straight out.
Yeah.
So that was really easy. Perfect.
Perfect.
So take this away and this away.
So, I just go back around and then I can help with you, okay? Okay, Mama?
Yes, so we're going to add in again this container soil, home and garden.
Yeah. So, we can put this in.
Okay, and now we're going to put in the Scott's Premium Garden Soil. Okay.
Yeah, but it's like, yeah, so don't call it soil. But, we can
Okay.
still get everything. Get everything! Everything.
Almost done. So I'll make a little hole here. Oh, thank you, sweetie. That's awesome. And now this one is standing a bit crooked in the pot, so we just need to angle it so it's nice and straight. So, like that.
And now we can cover it.
Now we can cover it. Push it into the dirt. And there we go. That looks amazing. High five, sweetie. High five with my dirty glove and your dirty hat. Woo! This is what the planter boxes are looking like now. I've added in heather right here. So this will look really nice in the winter. And then I've added in a hosta here, which is still really small. And then also these two annuals. So it's looking really good and healthy. I love it. Here is the final look at my front door. This evergreen interest is going to look great in the winter. I showed you this one over here, how I've added the heather into the planter box, and I did the same over here so that they match. So I have heather here. This is annual coleus that has been growing throughout the summer. In the back here I've added a hosta, just propagated that from a hosta that's in my backyard. So I really love the look of these. I'm loving that I have some evergreen interest that's going to last through the winter, because I don't have a lot of evergreen interest on my property right now. So this is really beautiful. I love the way they turned out. And if you were wondering, these planters were built by me. I stained them with the same paint that's used on the beams on our house. And I can do another video on how I did that, but I love these. They're huge. They're about 22 inches wide and probably 2.5 feet tall or so, but I'll do another video on that, like I mentioned. I absolutely love these. If you've made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching us as we plant some evergreens at my front door. I hope you have a great day and happy gardening.